Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to center various items on your page or on your slide. So let's say I want to center these three objects on my slide. I go down to Arrange and then I go to Center on Page. And now if I select horizontally, it will move that parallelogram all the way to the edge of the slide or close to it to match the triangle on the side. So I'm going to do that, and now it actually moves everything, and now everything is centered. The pentagon is right down the middle of the slide. I can also do this with other elements, and maybe I want to distribute it vertically, so I can arrange Center on Page vertically. And now these two text boxes sort of divide the slide vertically into three even spaces. And now that I have those centered vertically, I can now center those horizontally, and now those text boxes are pretty much centered as much as I can get them. I guess I could also go to Align Center, and now it looks really nice. If I shrink this, I might be able to get that a little bit better. And so you have different ways that you can actually center on the slide itself. Not every way to align the objects will do that, but if you choose Center on Page, it should do that for the whole slide for whatever objects you selected.